everything we do is based around trying to enable others to make money. And I've always kind of really believed that and supported that. And the scripts absolutely will be available for sale in the marketplace. And like I said, we're in the process of actually developing some like starter scripts ourselves right now. But yeah, so these are all C# based scripts. Plenty of guys out there who can write C# and we'll be able to supply scripts specifically for the marketplace. So we have engaged a Chrome extension builder specifically just for upcoming extensions for Session Splitter. And that builder's name and information will become available to people in the marketplace as well and for customers. So as customers use the software more and more and they say, man, wouldn't it be great to have an extension just to do this? We will help make that possible. And then we haven't engaged a builder for the scripts as well. So we will actually be putting more extensions and more scripts on the marketplace ourselves. And we encourage everybody else to do that too. Like I said, we'll make those kinds of resources available to everybody because we think there's obviously going to be a huge need for all of it.
Every time I see this, and I'm like, wow, you're putting a script editor and making. I know Wayne gets excited when he sees the word automation. Know that we can automate some of these things, guys. Any questions? We're kind of at an hour and 15 minutes. This one right here, vidpenguin.link/session splitter, and let me do this. Is I'll copy that and I'll paste that into the call here. You're going to hire a VA at some point in time. You really need the Session Splitter +1 or the team, because the sharing the profiles back and forth is really what this whole thing is all about. Is you may have one person assigned to building minions, and you may have one person assigned to engagement of the minions, and you want to be able to share back and forth. I have two people, part of the Minion Builders Bootcamp, that they have no desire to build minions, but they have a desire to have Session Splitter and have those minions tossed over to them so that they can do Yelp reviews. That's what their primary business model is selling Yelp reviews and Google reviews. They don't have a desire to build, but they have a desire to sell. So if you have a desire to build, I've got a guy that wants to buy these from you. So keep that in mind. This may not be the most effective use of your time building minions all day long, but we're about to start hiring VAs in the Philippines to build minions for us. So when you're looking at what account should I get, you probably want to skip past the solo. I would recommend. And and maybe go with the solo +1 or the small team to start with. And this is the number of license. Now, this means that it can be installed on one computer, that can be on two computers. And what I'm doing is I want one on my VPS and one on my laptop. And I'm probably going to upgrade to the small team. Now, in the future, in the coming months, Garrett, are you going to make it just so they're all integrated and then we just pay per sub user?
Yep, that's correct. Yeah, that's where we're going for sure. So it'll be one license. So it'll be one license. Then if you want to extend that with cloud, and then from there you can extend to any number of team members that you would like as well.
Yep. So if you're looking at just starting out, I would go with solo +1 at least to start. Now, if they started with solo today, they can always upgrade a solo plus, add sub users down the road as you upgrade the software. Is that correct?
That is correct. But they're going to want cloud as well. So, and I think on this deal, I think we had said that we would include cloud. So cloud goes for, I think, $12 a month. And so we'll include, so if they want to buy solo, or anything actually at this point. If they want to buy whatever they want to buy, we will include a lifetime of cloud for that account as well.
Oh, wow. That's a pretty good deal. So $67 a month, they don't have to worry about this 24 then.
That would be correct.
Oh, that's awesome. That is really awesome. Plus, they're going to get the scripting engine with the drag and drop. And I know you have great support, so there's no question about support there.